Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Brainplosion. In this video, we're going to be heating up a few of these steel balls very hot and dumping them into different things. You guys seem to have really liked the last video, and if you haven't seen it, go check it out. And let's not waste any more time and get straight into the video. It's taking away some of the color from the sand, if you guys can see that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with somebody who you think might like it as well. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. And if you do subscribe, click the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I make new videos, which is every week. And on a totally different note, I took off the subscriber count just to kind of test something out for my channel. It's gonna come back. I just want to be fully transparent with y'all in case y'all are wondering. Anyways, guys, you guys are the best. I'll see you guys next week. Peace.